Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Quick general love reading for my friends Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Whenever you watch this, take what resonates and leave what doesn't. If you resonate, let us know, like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for the support. So guys, let's find out what messages want to come through for you. Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus in the love arena. Let's see what we can get for you guys. Here we go. You get two cards. And you get chaos and conflict and imagine. Now, the very first thing that comes to my mind is about a necessity to figure out a way that can help you remove from a circumstance that can be a source of confusion because maybe it is not dealt with in the wiser way, and maybe this is something that you do not have proper control on, because maybe it is a behavior that is linked to a different person, but still the Imagine Oracle guidance is calling for an evaluation, very cerebral, in order to recognize maybe some small aspect that can be helpful in order to deal in the proper way with this chaotic situation. Let's see what the tarot has to say about it for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. Alright, we have a flyer. I'm gonna keep it and I'll give you 3 more cards, guys. Here we go. The Hermit, beautiful, seeking a deeper understanding. 9 of Swords, the mind is struggling, clarity with the Queen of Swords. The Tower, Justice, bottom of the deck. This is quite a powerful and interesting flow of energies, guys. The point is pretty straightforward, and it is all about the bravery required in order to embrace a deeper understanding about a situation that is causing a great deal of anxiety. 9 of Swords, monkey mind, you know, going left and right without a particular reason. Well, the reason can be absolutely present within the mix, but the 9 of Swords is an energy where the mind is working against us because it is too caught up, and it prevents the opportunity to recognize in the proper way some way out, some resolution about a particular situation. It's extremely positive to see the Hermit, which is a quiet energy, in order to seek clarity and a deeper understanding. So this is positive. And with the Queen of Swords, you have the chance to bring within your everyday life interactions the wisdom of the Hermit, channeling your ultimate truth with the Queen of Swords energy. This queen is capable of express herself in a way that does not leave any room, space for misunderstandings. And this is crucial, because if the situation that may see some of you involved is a source of confusion, maybe there is someone in the mix that can even turn words around in order to take advantage of them. But if this pattern is involved, justice energy, bottom of the deck, a fair and fair exchange will be achieved in order to bring balance to the situation. But at the same time, this very wise, mature, truthful and clear approach may call for a tower moment. Divine intervention, following the general meaning of the card, something that crumbles down because it was not built on solid ground, on solid foundations. And this can be about a situation that possibly has expired itself because it was running on thin ice when it comes to the way of interact with one another. And the tower is a fast and sudden shift in the energies that can ignite a revolution. Something as it was will be completely different moving forward. This can even be a way to cleanse the anxiety that we can find in the Nine of Swords. Self-doubting, questioning everything, sleepless nights, as the general meaning of the card goes. So guys, let's clarify. All right. Beautiful Ace of Swords with the Hermit, Ace of Wands, the Tower, and the Eight of Cups. This is quite powerful, I have to be honest. Nine of Wands, bottom of the deck. Guys, allow me to say this. The Wounded Warrior is someone that has gone through a lot of challenges, but has persevered and has endured, learning meaningful lessons about himself and about the journey. This is one of these cases, meaning that throughout sequence of interactions in a situation that was chaotic and conflicted, you have had the opportunity to embrace some kind of inner path of introspection in order to gain and achieve a major clarity that for some of you has helped you understanding what was going on. For others of you will be helpful in order to understand the pattern. So depending on the timeline, Ace of Swords, clarity of the mind, truth be spoken, following the considerations that we were sharing about the Queen of Swords. The Hermit, with his wisdom, will have the chance to communicate in a very clear way. No misunderstandings, clear communication, even some approach that can cut to the minimum the flow of reciprocal words that are involved in the mix in order to avoid conflict, Then the anxiety that was in the mix before will be substituted basically by a new beginning, Ace of Wands, a passionate and bright new start, very auspicious, that can be even the opportunity for you to pursue some passion, This can even be a bright and auspicious new connection that will manifest itself in your favor once you will have cleared up basically all the leftovers of these chaotic circumstance, But as I was saying, the Tower will work as a powerful shift, sweeping away past leftovers, so even the anxiety mode, and a new approach, a new beginning, a new spark, very passionate and powerful, can be brought to the table. Then Tower, coming back twice basically. The Queen of Swords swinging the Ace of Swords, major truth from a clear mind, will call for the Tower moment. So guys, if you were involved, let's say, in una connection, in one connection that was not healthy, you will call in the Tower moment because you have basically understood what was going on. Others of you will call in the Tower moment because now in your mind is everything clear about what were the things that didn't sit properly with you according to your values or what you were desiring to experience. And then the Tower will call in the Eight of Cups energy, going all out on an adventure after a well-thought evaluation. The moon in the background grants the proper depth to the choice, basically to the decision, going all out on an adventure in order to pursue your ultimate emotional fulfillment. This man is leaving the 8 cups behind in order to go for the 9 and 10 of cups, because he couldn't fulfill his heart and soul in the previous situation. And this is the point. A new beginning can be embraced, but this major double tower energy is calling to be faced with a great deal of courage and awareness. So do not fall for chaotic and conflictual behaviors that maybe some of the persons that some of you are dealing with may bring to the table, constantly trying to push your buttons. There is wisdom and there is a mature approach that you are called to display, and I feel that you can do it. So guys, I will leave it at that. I truly hope it was helpful. I'll continue on Vimeo. I'll see you there if you want to join me. The link is below. Let us know if you resonate. Leave a comment, like, share and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, I wish you the best, guys. Take very good care of you, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.